Jamaican taxi drivers, navigating the road with skill and character. Introduction. Jamaican taxi drivers are an integral part of the country's transportation system, providing essential services to both locals and tourists alike. Known for their vibrant personalities, skillful driving, and in-depth knowledge of the island's roads, Jamaican taxi drivers play a unique role in showcasing the warmth and charm of Jamaican culture. In this article, we will explore the world of Jamaican taxi drivers, their significance in the local community, and the experiences they offer to passengers. Skillful driving and navigational expertise. Jamaican taxi drivers are renowned for their impressive driving skills and ability to navigate the often challenging road conditions on the island. With winding roads, steep hills, and bustling city streets, the driving expertise of these professionals is crucial to ensuring a safe and efficient journey. Jamaican taxi drivers possess an in-depth knowledge of the local roads, shortcuts, and traffic patterns, allowing them to efficiently transport passengers to their destinations. Friendly and charismatic personalities. One of the standout features of Jamaican taxi drivers is their infectious enthusiasm and vibrant personalities. Known for their jovial nature and engaging conversations, they create a welcoming and enjoyable atmosphere for passengers. Whether sharing interesting local stories, recommending popular attractions, or introducing passengers to Jamaican music, taxi drivers often serve as informal tour guides, providing valuable insights into Jamaican culture. Cultural ambassadors. Jamaican taxi drivers are ambassadors of the country's rich cultural heritage. Through their interactions with passengers, they have the opportunity to showcase the warmth, friendliness, and laid-back nature that Jamaicans are known for. Many drivers take pride in sharing their knowledge of Jamaican traditions, customs, and local cuisines, further enriching the travel experience for visitors. Economic impact and community connection. Taxi driving is an important source of income for many Jamaicans. Taxi drivers contribute to the local economy by providing employment opportunities and supporting other businesses, such as gas stations, restaurants, and tourist attractions. Additionally, they often develop strong connections within their local communities, fostering a sense of belonging and camaraderie. Challenges and safety measures. Like taxi drivers in many other countries, Jamaican taxi drivers face various challenges, including long working hours, traffic congestion, and the occasional risk of encountering unruly passengers. To address safety concerns, efforts have been made to regulate the industry, ensuring that drivers obtain the necessary licenses and that vehicles undergo regular inspections. Additionally, some taxi companies have implemented technology-based solutions, such as GPS tracking and panic buttons, to enhance passenger safety and driver security. Conclusion. Jamaican taxi drivers are much more than just transport providers. They are skilled drivers, cultural ambassadors, and welcoming personalities, adding a touch of local charm to the travel experience. With their navigational expertise, engaging conversations, and contributions to the local economy, Jamaican taxi drivers play an integral role in Jamaica's transportation system and tourism industry. So, the next time you find yourself in a Jamaican taxi, sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride while soaking in the unique Jamaican experience these remarkable individuals have to offer.